Hello guys, how are you? Hope everything going good in this new year. This is Ashok Singh and I have for you the top 12 list of artificial intelligence companies building a smarter tomorrow. So let's begin. From Google and Amazon to Apple and Microsoft, every major tech company is dedicating resources to break through in artificial intelligence. Personal assistants like Siri and Alexa have made AI a part of our daily lives. Meanwhile, revolutionary breakthroughs like self-driving cars may not be the norms, but are certainly within reach. Number 1 is Apple. The smartphone powerhouse was the first technology company that brought artificial intelligence in the mobile devices in 2011. When it launched Siri, the voice assistant features on the iPhone. Although Apple has been struggling to become one of the powerhouses in the artificial intelligence market, the company is positioning itself with the new capabilities through acquisitions. Apple has acquired 4 AI startups over the past 2 years as part of its big step in the artificial intelligence industry. One of these startups became the foundation factor for Face ID, a facial recognition security system. The company recently hired former Google's head of AI, John Giannandrea, which will complement its effort in the artificial intelligence sphere. Number 2 is Amazon. Amazon, as one of the world's largest artificial intelligence company, has been investing deeply in artificial intelligence and machine learning for more than 2 decades. Today, the AI and MI technology powers several of Amazon's internal systems, including the path optimization in their fulfillment center, Echo powered by Alexa, Amazon.com's recommendations engine, Amazon Go, and their drone initiative Prime Air. Amazon Web Service offers enterprises a range of AI services including Amazon Lex that provides deep learning functionalities of natural language understanding and automatic speech recognition. Amazon Polly that turns text in lifelike speech. Amazon Recognition that analyzes billions of images. Amazon's machine learning that helps developers to use machine learning technology, and the most popular Amazon SageMaker. Number 3 is IBM. With a belief that artificial intelligence and machine learning will transform the world dramatically in the years to come, IBM Research has been exploring these technologies for decades. The company is advancing the field via its portfolio of research based on 3 areas: a platform for business, human-level intelligence, and hardware, and the physics of AI. In order to bring visibility of AI technologies for enterprises, IBM recently announced a cutting-edge service called AI OpenScale. IBM AI OpenScale helps enterprises to operate and automate artificial intelligence at scale. Available later this year through the IBM Cloud and IBM Cloud Private, it infuses AI technology with trust and transparency, explains consequences, and automatically eliminates bias. Number 4 is Facebook. Facebook, which has long been dominating the social media network landscape, is making nascent effort in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Needless to say, artificial intelligence has become an integral component for scaling Facebook, and the company has understood it well. Facebook says it has tripled its investment for Facebook research and has appointed more than 150 experts devoted entirely to the AI field. The company currently has 3 AI research labs across New York, Paris, and Menlo Park. Facebook recently introduced Deep Text, an engine for reading text in more than 20 different languages. Facebook AI is already being used to curate the news feed and recognize faces in photographs. Number 5 is Microsoft. A powerhouse of information technology is bringing artificial intelligence to the masses through numerous Microsoft tools including Skype video chats, Cortana, voice apps, bot payment, Azure bot service, Bing customized research, custom vision service, and many more. Microsoft AI researchers are harnessing the explosion of computational power and digital data with advanced algorithms to strengthen the natural interaction between machine and people. The company is planning to invest $40 million to integrate AI for humanitarian action, followed by a 25 million plays in AI for accessibility and $50 million investment in AI for Earth. Number 6 is AI. AI builds the vision algorithms, software, and hardware that ultimately become the eye of autonomous vehicles. Its LiDAR technology focuses on the most important information in a vehicle's sightline, such as people, other cars, and animals, while putting less emphasis on things like the sky, building, and surrounding vegetation. Number 7 is H2O.ai. H2O.ai is the creator of H2O, an open source platform for data science and machine learning that is utilized by thousands of organizations worldwide. H2O.ai supplies companies in a variety of industries predictive analytics and machine learning tools that aid in solving critical business challenges. Number 8 is Google AI. Formerly known as Google Research, Google AI is a development branch for Google's AI application and one of the world's best artificial intelligence companies. Google has always been at the forefront of innovations in all its endeavors, including artificial intelligence. The tech giant continues to develop AI in all its products, including Google Assistant, a voice assistant for Android devices, Google Auto ML Vision, a builder of machine learning model for image recognition, DeepMind, a segment for developing artificial general intelligence AGI and deep learning technology, and TensorFlow framework to run deep learning and machine learning including AI accelerator. Number 9 is Baidu. Lots of people in the West will have never heard of Baidu, but it is the most popular search engine in China and one of the largest companies in the world, which means it is an incredibly important platform for you to advertise on. It is often dubbed the China Google, and for good reason. The feature and layout of Baidu are very similar to that of Google. They are both powerful search engines for websites, audio files, and images, as well as an email service, a language translator, and a web mapping service. Baidu has been in operation inside of mainland China for close to 20 years and has been consistent growth annually since its creation. As a major economic driver and a natural advertising destination for your brand, it is one of the China's tech darling of the 21st century. Number 10 is Nvidia Corporation. Nvidia Corporation builds graphic processing unit and hardware to power various types of AI-enabled service. The company's technology is used for everything from robot to self-driving vehicles to intelligent video analytics and smart factories. Number 11 is Data Robot. Data Robot provides data scientists with a platform for building and deploying machine learning models. The software helps companies solve challenges by finding the best predictive model for their data. Data Robots tech is used in healthcare, fintech, insurance, manufacturing, and even sports analytics. Number 12 is CloudMinds. CloudMinds provide cloud robot service for the finance, healthcare, manufacturing, power utilities, public sector, and enterprises mobility industries. Its cloud-based AI uses advanced algorithm, large-scale neural network, and training data to make smarter robots for image and object recognitions, natural language processing, speech recognitions, and more. That's it guys for today. Once again, Happy New Year. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, then please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button so that you will never miss our future videos. Thank you.